Good afternoon, folks. Well, what you're seeing outside is the way it's going to stay for the remainder of the afternoon. All snow. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Try to get the window open, but it's frozen shut. But of course, in order to be called a blizzard, this is the kind of weather we gotta see. And it's gotta keep up for about 3 hours, maybe more. Whoa. But just look at this. This is unbelievable. Because the kind of snow that's actually falling is a packed powder. And what the wind's actually doing is it's taking this snow and blowing it around. Look at this. Look at this. This is coming off my roof right now. And of course, I know a lot of you were out sledding, and you knew it was pretty cold. So I'd say by tomorrow, it should be much better to go sledding, because at least you won't have all the accumulating stuff to deal with. It'll already be packed and ready for you by then. But like I said, in order to call this a blizzard, what you see there, that's the kind of weather we have to see. Visibility of less than a quarter mile. We gotta have winds of at least 35 miles an hour or more, combined with this heavy snow, and it must keep up for about 3 hours, maybe more. But just look at this. Oh, we got... Yeah, see that? You are not seeing things. That is blowing snow. And to be called a blizzard, that has to keep up for about 3 hours or more. Sorry. This is unbelievable. Yeah, you definitely don't want to be outside right now. But the sound you are hearing is the sound of the leaves rustling in the wind. My God.